Best fitness trampolines for fun workouts. Are you tired of boring workouts that leave you feeling drained? Here are the 5 best fitness trampolines I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. ZCM HAXJ Foldable Mini Trampoline. The ZCM HAXJ Foldable Mini Trampoline caught my eye immediately with its bright green color and compact foldable design, priced at just $69.99. If you want a workout trampoline that's easy to store and can accommodate both adults and kids, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This trampoline has a whopping 440 pounds weight capacity thanks to its high-strength bungees and thickened steel frame. That means it's sturdy enough for most users, whether you're doing a workout with your kids or just bouncing solo. Plus, it's designed to be super quiet, making your workouts less disruptive, with 95% less noise than traditional spring models. Imagine having fun while getting fit. Just 10 minutes of bouncing can help you achieve full body slimming, equating to an efficient workout that's fun and effective. Product number 2. Serene Life 40-inch Foldable Mini Trampoline. Next up is the Serene Life 40-inch Foldable Mini Trampoline, retailing for $63.99. I loved its deep blue finish, and if you're looking for a safe and stable design, this one deserves your attention. The features here really shine for those focused on safety. With foam-padded spring covers and rubber-tipped legs, it can support up to 330 pounds securely. This closed spring system is a big plus for anyone worried about jumping injuries. And the adjustable handlebar is a game changer, offering 5 different height levels to accommodate everyone in the family. Whether you're into cardio, yoga, or just want to stay active, this trampoline makes it easy to mix it up. Plus, it's compact and portable, so you can easily move it around or tuck it away when not in use. Product number 3. Fit-in-One Portable Exercise Rebounder. Coming in at $70.99, we have the Fit-in-One Portable Exercise Rebounder, which I found to be quite impressive. It's all about that smooth, quiet workout experience, thanks to its superior bungee bands. What makes this trampoline stand out is how it protects your knees and back while you bounce. With a 330 pounds weight capacity, it's built with durable materials that ensure safety during your workouts. Plus, it folds down to 1/4 of its size, making it super easy to store. The claim that 10 minutes of bouncing equals an hour of jogging is a real motivator for those who want quick, effective workouts at home. And with prompt support and a 1-year warranty, you'll feel secure in your purchase. Product number 4, ZCM HAXJ T-shaped Adjustable Bar Trampoline. Next on the list is another ZCM HAXJ trampoline, but this one features a T-shaped adjustable bar, all for $79.99. I was really drawn to the pink color and the idea of having a sturdy handle for extra support. This trampoline supports up to 450 pounds, which is impressive and makes it suitable for users of all shapes and sizes. The adjustable handlebar ranges from 27 to 35 inches, perfect for tailoring to your height and comfort during workouts. The quiet bungee system ensures a safer experience, and just like the others, it promotes effective full-body workouts in a fun way. With easy assembly, you'll be bouncing in no time. Product number 5, Kanchami Folding Mini Fitness Trampoline. Finally, I have the Kanchami Folding Mini Fitness Trampoline priced at $79.99. It offers a sleek black design and is built with heavy-duty materials that promise longevity. One of the key things that stood out to me was the maximum load of 330 pounds, making it a solid choice for most users. The upgraded materials and thick steel springs ensure durability, while the non-slip mute design is a nice touch for quieter workouts. You can easily fold it down to 1/4 of its size, perfect for storage in tight spaces. Plus, it features 5 adjustable handle heights, making it suitable for everyone from kids to adults. So, to quickly recap, the ZCM HAXJ Foldable Mini Trampoline is great for portability. while the Serene Life offers safety and stability. The Fit-In One provides a smooth workout experience, and the ZCM HAXJ T-Bar option gives extra support. Finally, the Conchimi stands out for durability and design.